Hi, this is Roger Michalski, publisher of Eagle Financial Publications. I'm here with Brian Perry, editor of The Quick Income Trader. So Brian, we've had a great series of videos to talk about your covered call strategy.
Mm-hmm.
But now, can you sit in front of a computer and walk everybody through step-by-step how to make a trade?
Absolutely.
All right, everybody. Well, don't blink or you're going to miss it.
Hi, Brian Perry here, walking our viewers through a live trade on what is called a virtual trading platform. In this instance, it's with Options Express, part of Charles Schwab. Using our example of CyberArk, our cybersecurity software company down here, CYBR, we bought the 200 shares in the account. So we're currently long 200 shares of CyberArk, and I simply just want to walk you through the easy part of the covered call trade. We're going to go up to our trade tab, which is everyone's got these trade tabs on there on whatever online brokerage account they're working with. And we'll simply go to the options selection here and open that up. What we want to do is we want to use our stock of CyberArk, CYBR, and put that symbol in here where it asks for the symbol. Come down here to the action, and we're selling calls against this position here. So we want to sell calls to open up. Then we want to choose which option that we want to sell, which particular covered call we want to sell. And so since the stock is currently trading at 52 and change, we want to sell some out-of-the-money calls. So if the stock rises, we can still make some money on the upside in the form of capital gains. So we'll come down here and you just open up your drop-down list. It's simple as just clicking this arrow here next to the strike price. We're going to go, since we're already in August, let's go out to September, the next month out. Let's choose a strike price that's out of the money or just above where the stock is currently trading. In this instance, it would be 55, since the stock is trading at 52. And we're going to sell the call, the September 55 call. And we're going to sell to open, and we're going to sell two, quantity of two, representing 200 shares. Remember, one option contract represents 100 shares of stock. Since we're long 200 shares of stock, we're going to sell two covered calls. And since here's the bid for the option at $2.65, and then here's the ask of $3.10. Just for the sake of making this an easy trade, we'll go ahead and sell these at market. We can put a limit order in and put our limit price here. And we can do different other things that are more sophisticated, but for the simple purpose of just getting the trade off and doing it as an easy sample example, then we're going to go ahead and just sell these at market, and we're going to try to bring in $265 per contract. It's quoted as 2.65, but in real dollar terms, that's $265 a contract. So we're going to preview the order, and then we're going to sell to open, just as the tab up here says, two CyberArk September 55 calls at market, and we'll see how we do here on the fill. For a total commission of $14.95. This is what we're looking to bring in, folks, $545 in cash that's going to hit the account right after I click this particular tab. So let's make this trade go off here, place our order, and then we'll go back and check our order status, come back to our account here and see if it's filled, and it sure has. Look at that. There's our stock, and there's our CyberArk September 15 covered calls. We sold two for an average price of $265, and we have a total value of $590 in the account that's already come in just from the standpoint of selling that covered call. That's as easy as it is, folks. It's simply placing the covered call over the stock you currently own, making sure that you sell like number of calls for like number of shares, and just following my trade parameters, whether it be a market order or a limit order, and just bringing in the money that credits your account instantaneously. It's as simple as it gets, and it's the best form of option trading that I know.
Wasn't that easy? You see how quick it is to make a trade. Very simple, and just like that, you have income into your portfolio. It's absolutely wonderful, and that's exactly what we're doing in Quick Income Trader. So Brian, tell us a little bit more about Quick Income Trader.
Well, it's a weekly service, so you'll be notified once a week. I'll give it just a quick background on the trading landscape, and then we'll go over the portfolio that's in play currently, all the trades that are on, and then any new trades that'll be with all the parameters set up. So really, it's just a matter of taking 10 minutes out of your day, get a cup of coffee, put in your limit orders, and just let it ride, on a good till canceled basis. This is one trading service where it doesn't involve a whole lot of sweat equity, and I think this is really the best part about it, Rogers. I lay it out very easily for everybody, and your money's working for you all the time. This is one strategy where money never sleeps.
Yeah, that's terrific, and the response to the Quick Income Trader has been overwhelming. The customers are loving the income stream that you're producing for them, and we'd love to have you part of Quick Income Trader. And to learn more about the service, you can click on the link right below this video.